I have here a 1000 volt insulated screwdriver set. You can see it comes with this nice wrap that's going to keep everything nice and organized. And inside we've got all of the screwdriver bits here. It does come with 2 separate handles, so you can have 2 screwdrivers at once, a magnetizer and demagnetizer, and then it also has a little testing pin right here. So it does come with 13 double-sided screwdriver heads, and these will fit in either handle, so you can just pick which one you need and slip it straight into the handle. So I'm going to go ahead and slip in a flat screwdriver and then a Phillips screwdriver. So I've got one of each. If at any time you wanted to swap, so right here I've got the flat, I can easily pop it out, turn it around, put it back in, and now I have the Phillips part. So the handle is made of an insulating material, and the handle and all of the key components have undergone special treatment to ensure that you will be insulated from voltages up to 1000 volts. So you can use these screwdrivers without fear of getting shocked, even if you're using them directly in contact with high-powered currents. So you can see I've got a screw here that will not stick to my screwdriver, but if I use the magnetizer, just go over it a couple of times really quick. Now you can see really quick and easy that it will stick to it. If I want to take it back off, I can use the demagnetizer, and now it is demagnetized. So it's really handy that I've got multiple screws and screwdrivers here, because I've got flat on the outside here, but when I get in there, it's going to be Phillips or square drive. So this is going to make it perfect for any kind of work you need to do. It does have this voltage testing pen, so you can use it to test the wires before you're doing anything. So now that I'm inside, I now have a Phillips screw. So I swapped my screwdriver to the Phillips side, so I can easily take off these screws and get to the switch. So here, while I'm working on the switch, I'm not going to have to worry about getting shocked, because I am using this really nice insulated screwdriver. Now that I'm done working on my switch and fixing the loose wire, I can put this all back together using the same screwdriver. Now I'm putting the faceplate back on, so I switched my screwdriver back over. It's super nice that I can just switch back and forth between the Phillips and the flat. So this insulated screwdriver set is really handy. It's going to be perfect for anybody that's working with high voltages, like electricians. You're not going to have to worry about getting shocked when you're using them, because it does have such a high quality insulation. And it's got a nice array of bits here that you can use, so if you have different style of screws, this is going to be able to work with pretty much anything you need it to. It's got this nice case to keep everything nice and organized when you're not using it, and it's going to be perfect to take with you wherever you need to go.